In this particular video, we're going to talk about how to set up an error and redirect pages. Did you know that you could be losing traffic when people land on certain areas of your website that don't exist? In other words, over time and over the years of maintaining your website, you'll have pages and elements, videos, zip files, or whatever that will disappear on your website. Perhaps you will delete them. However, over the years, they will be indexed by Google. If somebody clicks on that through Google and they come to your website, it will lead to what we call a 404 error page. Now, think about it for just a second. If you were that prospect and you clicked on a link and it went to a 404 error page, what does that first impression give you? Most likely, it gives you the impression that the site is not maintained. Or maybe it's not very professional, right? In that case, what it will do is it will be detrimental to your reputation. You don't want that. Instead, you want people to be redirected to either a page that actually works or a specific page that you want all the traffic to be redirected to. This is where the 404 error page comes in. Fortunately, on the cPanel hosting panel, you can specify where you want all this traffic to go. In other words, what if you could redirect all that traffic back to either the main page or a working area of your website? Well, that's what you can do. In this video, we're going to show you how to create that 404 error page, and we'll talk about the other types of error pages as well. What you want to do is find the title that says Error Pages. Don't worry about the icon. We can even do a search for error. That's not the metrics though. It's not going to be under there. It's going to be error pages, or it might be 404 pages. We have edit common error codes, or show all HTTP error code. The 404 is the one that's not found. So that's what we're talking about. Anytime we delete a file, a page, or anything like that, that's generally where somebody is going to come in to access your site from Google or a site that has been indexed. The next thing after that is to enter some HTML code that tells the system to redirect to whatever page you decide. Now, I'm not going to expect you to understand HTML code. I could go through here and tell you to pause it and just copy it. You can do that. Or you can simply go to google.com and do a search for HTML meta redirect. Get the code, and then just enter the code as you can see here. Sometimes you'll have stuff in the body and you can remove that. You can change the title, but basically it's HTML. There's a head, there's a title, and there's a meta head body. You can pause the video and just do that, or do the other way. But just make sure that it says meta refresh content equal to 0. 0 means that it will redirect immediately. If there's a number in there, it will wait that many seconds. So if there's a number 5 in there, it will wait 5 seconds before it redirects. Then, as you can see here, I'm telling it to redirect to google.com. But in your case, it's going to be http://yourdomain.com. That's what it's going to be. When you're done, you click on save. Anytime anyone goes to yourdomain.com/some random URL, instead of going to an error page, they are redirected to your main page or whatever you want to redirect them to. And that's it.